Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. We're going to do a quick review here of our Rimol High Tunnel. As you guys know, if you've been following me for any length of time, you know that we had that massive ice and snowstorm about 6 weeks ago. We've had very high winds where it was gusting over 50 miles an hour. We've had sustained winds for a day or two where it was probably 35-mile-an-hour winds for a very long time. And then yesterday, we had a massive hailstorm roll through. We had about baseball size and above hail. Check out these pictures. So we can't be more pleased. I'm going to take you around and show you the type of high tunnel we got. We got the Gothic style with the inflatable roof, which is double-sided, and then we have our shade cloth on the outside. So that, we believe, has really saved us in all of these situations. So right in the center of the screen, you can see the little white spot, and that's where it hit the shade cloth and bounced off. And we have spots like that all through the top of this high tunnel. So looking from the outside, you can see that the roof is inflated. Pay particularly attention to the left side, and boy, did that help us last night. Another area where this is helping us is the very high winds, guys. We've had a 50-mile-an-hour gust, and we had sustained winds at 35 miles an hour for, a whole day, maybe a day and a half, 2 days. And that is another area where that inflated roof helps to secure this high tunnel. Here is the south side. You can see that we have very high winds, but you can see also this is how we control the climate in the high tunnel to keep it from getting too hot, along with the vents on the end. And we do have an overhead door that we can open when it starts to get too hot. I want you to look at my shard here. It's almost as tall as me. So we have heard many people say that everything grows better under plastic, and I have to say right now I agree with them, guys. This high tunnel has saved our garden. It's going to save our harvest. We're going to be able to can so much more and do so much more food preservation this year. So if you guys are serious about your food preservation and you want to make sure that you can grow, we're going to try to grow year round in here, and we think that we're going to be successful. We have another high tunnel that's going to go up before the fall that's going to be more seasonal. We were able to keep things going through the winter in here because of the size of it. This is a 20 by 36. The next high tunnel we put up is going to be a 30 by 96. So we're excited about that coming in. But my husband took special precautions to shore up the walls a little more than what they show you on their videos or their instructions. So if you live in a high wind area or an area where you get severe weather, you might want to think about doing that too. But anyway, out of 10, we give this high tunnel a 12 because we have certainly had to put it through the test already, guys, in the first 6 months of this year. So we're looking forward to seeing what we do and how well we do and how the Lord blesses us with our harvest and everything that is coming up. And we, again, are so very thankful. So anyway, thank you very much for watching us. Thank you for your prayers last night. The storms, after the initial hailstorm, the storms went to the kind of the southeast of us. So I know that it progressed, and I hear that it's in Louisiana today and causing some tornadoes and stuff. So we want to be sure and keep those people in our prayers. But anyway, I got lots more videos coming up this weekend. Lots of exciting videos. So be sure and hit that subscribe button and click that little bell in the right-hand corner so you know when I post a new video. And we will be in touch.